Long ago in China, there lived an emperor who loved plants. His garden was the most beautiful in all the kingdom. But the emperor was growing old and needed to choose a successor. Emperor, I must find someone who will care for the kingdom as tenderly as I care for my garden. So the emperor devised a test. He called all the children in the kingdom to his palace. Emperor, each of you will receive a special seed. In 6 months, bring back what you have grown. The one who shows me their best effort will become the next emperor. Ping was excited. He had always loved gardening with his father. Ping, I'll grow the most beautiful plant the emperor has ever seen. Ping took his seed home and planted it in the finest pot he could find. He watered it carefully and placed it where it would get plenty of sunlight. Ping, nothing is growing. What am I doing wrong? Days turned into weeks. All around the village, other children boasted about their growing plants. But despite Ping's care, his pot remained empty. Child 1. Look at my beautiful flowers. Child 2. My plant is already 3 feet tall. Ping's father. What troubles you, my son? Ping. My seed won't grow. I've tried everything. Ping's father. You have done your best. Sometimes that's all we can do. The day arrived when all children were to bring their plants to the emperor. Ping. I cannot show the emperor an empty pot, but I cannot lie either. The palace courtyard filled with children carrying pots of beautiful plants and flowers. Ping stood at the back, embarrassed by his failure. When the emperor reached Ping, he found the boy crying beside an empty pot. Emperor. Why do you cry, little one? Ping. I failed, Your Majesty. I tended the seed every day, but nothing grew. Emperor. I have found my successor. The crowd gasped in surprise. Emperor. Before I gave out the seeds, I cooked them all, so they could not grow. All these beautiful plants could not have come from the seeds I gave. Only Ping had the courage and honesty to bring me an empty pot. Emperor. The kingdom needs a leader as honest as you, Ping. Someone who cannot be tempted to lie, even when the truth is difficult.